How to prevent forest fires? Chat GPT. Preventing forest fires requires a combination of proactive measures and responsible behavior. Here are some key steps to help prevent forest fires. Education and awareness. Spread knowledge about the causes and risks of forest fires to promote responsible behavior among individuals and communities. Teach children and adults about fire safety and the importance of protecting forests. Follow regulations and restrictions. Observe and adhere to all fire regulations and restrictions implemented by local authorities. These may include restrictions on open fires, campfires, and smoking in forested areas during dry or high-risk periods. Properly extinguish campfires. If you are camping or enjoying a fire in a designated area, ensure that you completely extinguish the fire before leaving. Douse the fire with water, stir the ashes, and repeat the process until the fire is cold to the touch. Report potential hazards. If you notice any potential fire hazards in or near forests, such as unattended fires, illegal burning, or damaged power lines, report them immediately to the appropriate authorities. Use equipment responsibly. If you're operating machinery or equipment near forested areas, be cautious of sparks or hot surfaces that could ignite vegetation. Ensure that equipment is well maintained and free of any potential fire-starting issues. Be cautious with outdoor activities. When engaging in activities like grilling, using fireworks, or using off-road vehicles, be aware of your surroundings and follow safety guidelines. Keep these activities away from dry vegetation or flammable materials, and have a water source or fire extinguisher readily available. Practice responsible smoking. If you smoke, ensure that you do so in designated areas and properly extinguish cigarette butts in appropriate containers. Never discard cigarettes in dry or forested areas, as they can easily ignite and start a fire. Maintain defensible space. If you live near a forested area, create a defensible space around your property by removing dead vegetation, maintaining a safe distance between trees and structures, and keeping your property well maintained. Support controlled burns and forest management. Controlled burns, also known as prescribed burns, are intentional fires conducted under controlled conditions to reduce excess vegetation and minimize the risk of uncontrolled wildfires. Support forest management practices that include controlled burns when necessary. Report and prevent arson. If you suspect or witness arson, immediately report it to the authorities. Arson is a significant cause of forest fires, and early intervention can help prevent extensive damage. Remember, preventing forest fires is a collective effort, and everyone must take responsibility to protect our natural resources.